is okay. We have right now we have enough space. Then we have enough oxygen. We have enough ventilators. So hopefully, this issue of shortage, as far as medical treatment is concerned, we still don't have that.
Ngam donkam shuh ban pynkynmaw ban deng jingda shentur bat khmut ong umintri katanat kakwat kakya oba Prestone Tynsong. Habakren ikilat pathai khubor oba Tynsong uloong bekipat ba kim day ban ki khuslai namar bangim tip ayu kan jala shai. Henry day pat ban yebut berking yeki ain kakwat kakya.
Issued the order, the notification. Be it the citizens of the state or tourists or anybody coming into the state, we request them that you have to go through the entry point and then you need to produce RT-PCR certificate within 72 hours. Or if you don't have that, you need to test. You need to go for RT-PCR test in the entry point itself. Not necessarily only the government employees. I'm telling you, each and every citizens of the state from 15 years and above, our advisories is very clear. Please go and get yourself vaccinated, because this is the only way out. Well, people ask questions. I think I saw posted in YouTube this that. They said that what is the point of taking vaccination? Because again, we get infection. Again, those vaccinated people, they get infected, right? But let us be very, very clear. Vaccination is to reduce the severity, the fatality. Though you get infected, but severity will not be there, and then you will not succumb to the virus. That's why I'm telling you, the entire world, why they keep pressurizing citizens of the respective country, go for vaccination, do vaccination. When you do vaccination means you get yourself protected. You get yourself protected, not infection, but you get yourself protected from severity and succumbing to the virus. Project Director of Nahai and along with my team from State Community is relating to the condition of that bridge, Sonapu Bridge, which it seems again a sign of crack happened. So today the experts from Delhi, they just reached, and today they are on the way to Sonapu. They need to get all the detailed examination technically, and again, not only that, the recommendation how to go about it. And right now, the district administration of East Chanty Hills, they have already issued some restriction where the permissible limit of those commercial vehicle from or going outside Meghalaya needs to be at least adhered to.
Recently there was a